Hello and welcome to Maths with J. Simultaneous equations are equations that hold at the same time as each other. The simplest examples involve two equations in two unknowns. Here we'll look at an example where we can see how the method works. Here we want to find the height of a man and his identical twin sons given two pieces of information. So we've got two things that we want to find, and I'm giving you two bits of information. Firstly, the height of the man together with one son is 8 foot. And secondly, the height of the man and both sons is 10 foot. Now, because the twins are identical, we know that they are the same height as each other. Comparing the two total heights, we can see that the difference between them must give us the height of a twin. So each twin must be 2 foot high. And then we can see that if the twin is 2 foot high, the man must be 6 foot high, because we can see that 6 plus 2 is 8, and 6 and 2 lots of 2 is 10, so that fits with the information that you were given. We can use algebra to solve this kind of problem. Here, m could represent the height of the man, and t the height of one twin. So one equation is going to be, so let's look at the one where we've got the man and both boys on top of him. That equation would be m plus 2t is equal to 10. So that's the same as m plus t is 10. And the other one, where we've just got one son on top of the man, well, that equation would be m plus t is 8. Now, when we're doing simultaneous equations, it's always a good idea to number the equations so that we can explain what we're doing by referring to them. So we'll label the first one 1 and the second one 2. And, just as with the diagrams, we can see that we can subtract the second equation from the first. So that's the first equation minus the second equation, 1 minus 2, gives us, well, we've got 1m in the first equation and an m in the second equation, so m take away m gives us no m, so we don't need to put anything down for that. And 2t take away t, well, that's 2 take away 1 gives us 1, so it's just t. And 10 take away 8 is 2. So that's the first equation minus the second equation, 1 minus 2, gives us t equals 2. Substituting that back into the second equation gives us m plus 2 is 8. So taking 2 away from both sides gives us that m is 6. And we should always check our answers. So checking both values in the other equation, so that's the first equation, we get that 6 plus 2 times 2, so that's our m plus 2t, and that is equal to 6 plus 4, so that's 10. Now, it doesn't matter which way round you do your substituting and checking, but it's important that you substitute into one equation and check in the other one.